Tons of fireworks. And a thunderstorm incoming. What?
Did you hear me?
What?
I was trying to sneak on Dad and scare him, but he must have heard the window.
Oh. Filmed a couple YouTube videos yesterday.
Yeah, are you filming one right now?
Yeah. I think they're about to start again.
Bats. See the bats?
Yep. I used to be terrified of bats.
Bats are awesome.
Yeah, that's child abuse if you hit a child.
Bats are awesome?
No, if you hit a child with a bat, that's illegal.
Yeah. Oh.
We go. Now it sounds like thunder. Trying to sneak up on you again?
I don't know.
Could you go ask her if she wants to come out and see the fireworks? Can you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I want you to try and get this video to, we'll go 10 likes at some point because I've never got a video above 5 likes. Because I'm a beginner. And I want more likes. And at least 100 views. And we'll gain a couple new subscribers. And I'm going to upload a lot more videos. So hopefully I can be a big YouTuber at some point. How much fireworks do they have?
I don't know. Mom says she wants to watch it through the window.
Which one? So how much likes do you think I'll get on this video?
I had no idea. 4.
4. I hope. That'd be okay, but can't know more than that. I want 1 billion.
Yeah. Wouldn't you rather just enjoy the fireworks?
Well, yeah, but it's about to thunder and possibly and
I think that's fireworks from different areas.
no, it's about to thunder. There we go.
Awesome. Yeah.
Can you give me a higher? Toothless is watching. Let me go distract Toothless for a second. Hello, Toothless. What are you watching here? Oh. It's about to thunder. I'm not joking. The fireworks come from right there.
Whoa.
Can you give me an hour? Now we're back to thunderstorms. It's about to thunder, right?
It doesn't look like it.
Are you sure? I can see lightning bugs. The fireworks spread up right there.
A lightning bug right there. Oh. Think they're gonna do any more?
I don't know. Probably.
Come on, do another, please. Please, please.
39, 38, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on.
Oh. Yeah.
Hoya, hoya, hoya.
Thank you.
Epic fireworks! Think they heard that.
Maybe.
$29, $28, $24, 0. What? How did I guess?
Awesome.
I wonder if any of those sparks ever go into our yard.
Nope.
They get pretty close.
Woo! That was awesome.
We should get fireworks tomorrow and do that same thing.
Yeah, we could, but that was a lot of fireworks.
How'd they do that?
Probably get a lot of people together and probably $2,000 worth of fireworks.
Yeah, but it's every year.
Yeah.
I guess we could do that. They probably go to different places to get different fireworks because Hemlock doesn't sell that much, do they? Now we're probably going to get confused pretty soon on whether they're fireworks or thunder. When are they going to be done? And where is my mom? Is she still there?
I don't know. Don't find her.
Bye. Well, the screen's completely black right now because I have it zoomed all the way out. Maybe the fireworks will actually light it up.
Yeah, if they're not done yet. I don't know if they're done or not.
I don't know how they get all those fireworks. Where do they get them from? Come on, Duma! How much money did you spend? What do you think they heard that?
No.
Why?
I would say they probably spent a couple $1,000 on those.
Burger eater. I said burger eater. Reader. Burger eater. Come on, when are there gonna be fireworks to light up my video?
Oh.
There we go. We got blue with that one.
Awesome. Oh.
Back to pooping out thunder. That's probably what we're like. We set off those small fireworks at the... Think we set off a couple big ones like they have? Have we?
No.
Can we try to set up a couple?
Ooh.
Blue. Red. Red with yellow. Green. Red with yellow.
Oh, that was awesome.
Can I get a see?
Oh.
Are they ever gonna be done? I don't know how they set up so much. Poopy thunder. Now. Burger eater. Ugh. Can I get a Hawaiian?
Not for me.
3, 2, 1. I've been practicing. Sit off 50 at a time. 50 at a time, yeah. More at a time. 93. Back to Poopy Thunder. How do everyone... Like there's tons of Poopy Thunder fireworks. Like how do people get so much? Like it sounds like it's like everyone in the town with how much there is. Yeah, that's definitely a thunder quad. I might have to end this video because I have to get to a thunder video. Because it's about to start lightning.
Mm-hmm.
Is it?
No idea.
No idea. We'll do one more round and then I might do a couple more videos. I want McDonald's. Can you buy me a cheeseburger Happy Meal with extra fries and chocolate milk? That'll be $19.29.
Hey, what the hell was that?
I'm filming a video.
Yeah, what the hell was that?
Well, if I make this video for adults, is that okay if you swear? If I make it for adults?
Alright, why did you do the dumb cheeseburger thing?
Don't say that. Don't say the H word. I don't want this on my video. You can say it when I'm not filming a video, especially on YouTube. People swear all the times in the videos. That's fine, right? If I make it for adults, it should be fine, right?
Sometimes you can always edit. I want to see more fireworks.
Yeah, but I don't like editing. Maybe I'll do it because I want it to be all legit and see how much subscribers I can still gain, even if it's all legit. But I might have to edit if I don't gain that much subscribers. You can't swear on my videos. I'm just an 8-year-old. People are gonna think I'm crazy.
Dang it.
People are gonna think I'm crazy if you do that.
I don't know if they're gonna shoot off any more fireworks tonight.
Well, if they don't, I'm still filming a storm video about.
I don't know if there's a storm coming over or not.
There is, I think. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nope. Nope, not from them.
Maybe from somewhere else farther back in there. Or the same people, but back in their woods or something. The very front of the yard. Maybe. Think so?
No.
Oh.
Alright, I think I'm gonna get up.
Let's wait until 30 minutes.
I'll be hanging around.
Where?
Andrew, I think that's it. You need to come in.
Well, I have to film a storm video too, but
No, we need to get to bed, dude. I need you to come and get your teeth brushed, please.
just wait a second, okay?
Please.
Wait a minute. Alright. Now that they're gone, hopefully I won't be able to hear any more swearing. Especially on my channel. I'm just a kid. People are going to think I'm crazy if my dad says that. Big one's down there.